Hey brothers and sisters, it's James again with Vets of the Nation Meditation, and I just wanted to do a quick video to say it's very, very healing to get out in nature. If you want, there's a place here in Vegas. It's in Henderson's Wetlands Wildlife Park. It's beautiful out here. It's peaceful. You still hear airplanes and people, but I'm gonna take a few minutes and sit here and just meditate. Just take in the nature, take in the scenery, wildlife. There's some ducks here, some geese. Just hanging out. All right, guys. See you soon.